Hi, I'm Beth. This is my YouTube channel, YogiBethC. I'm a yoga teacher and clinical psychologist, and I'm filming this video today to bring you an announcement about a new series that I'm bringing to my channel. This is going to be called VIP Yoga. So VIP stands for Variations for Individualized Practice. The idea behind these videos is that they will be short tutorials. Most will probably be under about 10 minutes. Each one will focus on a single yoga pose, offering many different variations of that pose. So the idea is a functional yoga practice, finding different types of poses or different variations of specific poses that work for you, that work for your body. In a functional yoga practice, the idea is very individualized, how a pose feels in your body, not at all how the pose looks. So that's what I'm trying to practice and convey in these new videos. They won't be yoga classes per se. They'll be more like workshops or tutorials. But my hope is that you take what you learned in these little tutorials, in these short practices, and that you bring them to other yoga classes, mine live, other on YouTube, learning a practice that best fits with your body. If you have any requests for particular types of poses that you would like to see, please comment below. Also like and subscribe for updates of when I update the videos coming soon. Thanks for watching.